everybody, it's Outdoors Dan. We're up here at Wall Lake, Iowa, Cookies Barbecue Sauce Central, and that means Mr. Speed Herrick, the man himself, is here, and we're doing another Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Tradition Kitchen segment. And is that bear?
Yes, that's bear.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you thought I was going to call it venison, didn't you?
I did. I really did.
No, that's a bear roast. And what I did is I seasoned it up with flavor. You provided the bear roast. I'll give you credit for that.
Yeah.
About all you did.
No bones about it.
Yeah. No. Oh no. Yes, there's a bone about it.
Oh,
Yeah.
there was a bone
Yeah,
in there?
Yeah.
Huh?
No, I tell you what. I cooked this thing so tender that bone just fell right out of it.
Wow.
This is actually a bear bone. Get it? Bear bone. Get it? Yeah.
Yeah. You know, you can keep that. I won't charge you.
You're okay. I'm not going to charge you for being on here with you today. But what I did is took this bear roast, seasoned with flavor enhancer, and put it in a crock pot with French onion soup mix and a can of water.
Okay.
And cooked it on high for 4 hours, and then went to low for another 4 hours. And I'll tell you what, it just fall apart tender.
Oh, it looks good.
This bone, I just pulled it out of the crock pot, and this bone just fell right out of it.
Yeah, I didn't even know it had a bone in there, but you know,
no bones about it.
No bones about it. Bear is one of my favorite proteins. We've been saying that for years on the shows, and you know, I think bear gets kind of a bum rap. People sometimes turn their nose on it, but folks, if you ever get a chance to try it, it's a very, very good tasting, flavorful protein.
Oh yeah, and we did it in Cajun fettuccine. Yeah. We've did it now today on barbecue, and bear fettuccine.
We did stir fry.
Did stir fry with
bear burritos.
Yep. Yeah.
And then what was that we did last year? It was bear alla speedy, fettuccine alla speedy or something like that.
Yeah.
That was great.
Yeah, and what that was is bear meat with our Wings and Things hot sauce and the noodles, and
it was
that
good.
That was
really
tasty.
Well, let's dish some of this up.
Yeah, we're going to dish this up, and we're going to do this with our tangy mustard, which again.
#1 winning sauce.
Yep. You're finally catching on.
Can I turn your burner off for you?
Yeah, turn the burner off.
Yeah, there you go. I don't want you to burn your arm there.
Well, that's what this burner was on.
He's an Iowa treasure. We got to protect him.
This burner was on, so.
Oh,
I mean,
that was, well, no, they're all on that way. They all say off.
Yeah.
I can read.
Yeah, they all say off about like you are. But anyway, we'll just stir in a little bit of this.
Yeah.
Give me your fork.
Yes, sir. He's so bossy.
Well, I can just picture that bear now coming out of the woods saying, "Dan, shoot me so I can get a little tangy mustard on me."
Yeah, little cookies.
Yeah.
Tangy mustard. You know, on a big old sesame seed bun, we don't have any. We're trying to. I'm trying to lose some weight, so I told Speed, let's not do bread this year. So, let me go ahead. You go first. You cooked it. It's only fair.
I'll wash the fork.
That's okay. I had another one ready.
Oh, way to go.
I've learned with him, so. That's good.
Isn't that good? Imagine that on a nice fresh bun.
Yeah.
One of those pretzel buns would really be good, wouldn't
That'd
it?
be good too. Now, cooking time.
Again, about 4 hours in the crock pot on high, then went to low for about another 4 to 6 hours.
Well, I'm telling you what, if you want a really quick, easy dish, folks, there you go, and it's really flavorful. And you could use it in burritos, sandwiches, whatever you want to do, or just eat it like we are right now. But hey, thank you, buddy. That's
You're okay.
That's a winner.
Yeah, you're okay. I don't care what they say about you.
There you go. Hey, if you want more information about the cooking segments or Cookies barbecue products, go to
cookiesbbq.com. And remember, smart cookies use cookies.
That's going to wrap it up for this edition of the Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. We'll see you next time. That's good stuff, Maynard.
It is.
Like that, yeah.